for a dime trying to fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no babies. I don't even wanna come back home. Hopefully I don't leave you on your own.
Nobody gonna love me better. I'm gonna stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me high.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well, staying healthy and safe. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this cute pixie cut using a relaxer going from my TWA. So if you're interested, go ahead and keep watching. But first, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Comment down below your thoughts and feelings on the video and hit that like button. Go ahead. Go on. Thanks, sis. I appreciate that. It really helps the channel. All right. So this is what my TWA was looking like. I'm going to be using the olive oil relaxer. If you watch my previous videos, you will know that I recently did a big chop. I chopped my locks of 2 years because of postpartum shedding really bad. So I'm going to go ahead and have a little fun and relax my hair and rock a short pixie cut because that's what I want to do. So yeah, I'm using the olive oil relaxer. It's a normal strength. And here are the tools that I'll be using. My pick comb. They do include instructions. The relaxer cream. This is the activator. I'm also going to be using the gloves, the wooden spatula to stir up the relaxer, and it includes a neutralizing shampoo and conditioner. So right now I'm just taking my pick and I'm gently, very gently going through my hair just to kind of get some of the tangles out. I'm not touching my scalp. And if you want, you can actually skip this step because you want to have less manipulation on the hair as possible because you don't want to damage the scalp or irritate the scalp, which can cause burning and, you know, a really bad situation. So I'm going to take my petroleum jelly and just outline the perimeter of my hair so that the relaxer will not irritate my skin. I'm kind of bummed that I had to big chop my hair. So if you have locks or thinking about starting locks, I wouldn't do that if you're not sure that you're not having any more kids, because you know, after you have children, a lot of women suffer from postpartum shedding. And if you have locks, it could be a real deal breaker like it was for me. But anyway, I'm going ahead and putting in the activator into the cream. And you want to pour all that in and then start with your spatula to make sure that it's well mixed. And don't be like me. Use gloves for this part as well, so you don't want to suffer any chemical burns. Also, a disclaimer, I am not a professional, so I would recommend that you do your relaxer or have your relaxer done by a professional. If you are not familiar with relaxers or if you've never done it, yeah, you could really damage your hair and you can really hurt yourself. If you don't know what you're doing, you can cause a lot of medical problems such as chemical burns and things like that. So do not do this if you are not comfortable, and I would recommend you seeing a professional. So now I'm just stirring it up. You want to stir it up really good. Make sure everything is mixed up properly. Once I begin application, I start in the back of my head in the middle at the top, because that is where your hair is most thick and coarse and things like that. So that's where you're going to start. And I like to try to work in sections. So I start with the first 2 back sections, work my way to the top and to the front, and then perimeter. So I hope that makes sense. Don't just slather it all on your hair. You want to have some sort of method to the madness. So yeah, see how I'm starting from the back top, working my way down, even though my hair is very short. Still want to have that control and all that good stuff. I did set my timer for 15 minutes because that's what the time for my hair type on the relaxer instructions stated. So you want to make sure that you get everything applied within that time frame. Once it's done, it's done. You want to make sure you don't go over that time frame because you can over process the hair, and we just don't want that, you guys. No, just follow the instructions. So I'm just gently placing the relaxer throughout the sections. You can use an applicator brush, but I prefer to use my hands because it's just easier for me that way. And since it is a virgin application, I am saturating the whole head. Now, if it was a touch-up, I would just be doing the roots. Now I'm taking the back of my comb, my rat tail comb, and just smoothing it out. You don't want to comb your hair. I'm using the back of the comb to actually smooth out the relaxer. And you're going to start with the section that you started putting the relaxer on. So the section that you first applied, that is the section that you will begin smoothing first. So this is all going to be done within the 15 minutes that I'm allotted for my hair. So you want to work kind of fast. Also, as you're doing this, you want to be mindful of any sensations that you might be feeling. You might start feeling a little tingling. Sometimes you may feel a little itching. You want to be mindful of those things because those slight little sensations can quickly turn to burning. So work fast. Do not work on an irritated scalp and follow the instructions. So I'm just quickly smoothing everything out, give it one last little pass, and then I'm going to head to wash this stuff out. When you begin rinsing it out, you want to make sure that it's all rinsed out properly, and then you're going to use the neutralizing shampoo. The neutralizing shampoo is what stops the chemical processing. So you have to use that shampoo or your hair will continue to process. So yeah. We back. So this is what my hair looks like after I have relaxed it and rinsed it, and now I'm just applying the conditioner. As you can see, before I put that conditioner in, my hair still holds a lot of its texture. So that's one thing I'm happy about. It's not like bone straight. I still wanted a little texture to my hair. So that's the good thing. So I did use the conditioner that came with the relaxer, but then I also used my Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal conditioner as well and left that on my hair for a good 30 minutes. So this is what my hair is looking like. So yeah, mind you, I did have a lot of postpartum shedding, so my hair is very thin. And yeah, I'm just trying to get my scalp and my hair back growing and thick and things like that. So it's a process. But now I'm just sectioning my hair on how I'm going to have my hair styled and how I'm going to want to mold my hair down. So, and also to cut it into the style that I want. So I'm just getting everything set and ready to go for my cut. I did use my clippers for the back. It is very hard to cut your own hair. So please, I'm sorry I wasn't, focusing on the camera and my angles and things like that. I was just trying to make sure that I was cutting it properly, and I'm just utilizing my mirrors. But I did an okay job. I will go back over everything at a later time to make sure my haircut is good, or I also will go to a professional who will cut me up right. But I think I did a pretty good job for cutting it for myself. I didn't want to cut too much because you know you don't want to cut too much. You can always cut down. You can, once you cut it all off, it's a wrap. So I used my 3 guard on my clippers and cut it down like that. I don't want the back to be too tapered. I still want hair back there, so that's why I did use my guard. So I'm gonna be quiet as I go ahead and show you guys how I cut my hair, and I'll be back. And I'm so sorry, you guys. I realized that I did not record when I molded my hair down, but this is what it looks like. I used foaming wrap lotion, well, the foaming wrap, and I molded it down like this into like these little finger wave like things. I'm not gonna rock the finger waves, but this is the base for your hairstyle. So however you mold your hair is what your hair is going to be like. That's what it's molded into. So now I'm just gently combing out those waves a little bit so that I can begin the curling process. And I also put pink oil moisturizer on my hair to give it some moisture and to protect it from the heat. I'm just trimming up my edges around my ear. If you're doing this yourself, you want to be very careful around the ear. That's a very easy place to cut yourself. So yeah, be careful. Now I'm just spraying my hair with a little bit of oil sheen, and I'm using my small 1-inch little flat irons that I've had for the longest time. They are the GOAT. I got them from Sally's. So yeah, they're really handy and they get pretty hot. I'm mad that I couldn't find my rat tail comb with the metal rat tail, so that's why I'm using my fingers. But if you're doing this yourself, a rat tail comb really helps. grab those short hairs like that, because it can be very easy to burn yourself. So be careful on this part as well. So I'm just going through and bumping my curls how I want it, and I think that's it. So just continue to watch the video, and I thank you guys for watching this far. And once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on IG at ICanOnlyBeG, and also follow my business page, the Gleniece on IG. And if you're interested in purchasing from the Gleniece, hit us up on www.thegleniece.com. We are a natural skincare line and your one-stop shop for your beauty, rest, and relaxation needs. We carry body butters, bath bombs, body oils, lip gloss, all types of goodies that will just, have you on relaxation mode. So yeah, hit us up at www.thegleniece.com. All right, you guys, peace and thanks for watching. Much love. And P.S. if you're following my channel for my natural hair journey and all things natural hair, though my natural hair journey has come to an end for right now, I will be including my daughter's hair whenever I do their hair, and also my mom. She has locks that I do her hair as well. So there will be plenty more natural hairstyles, as well as different styles for my pixie cut. So there's a variety of things coming to the channel, so just stay tuned.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.